So I always thought that birds before land was something Neville Goddard talks about because that's just what I hear all over the internet, but I could never find a quote or any of it mentioned in his books until I realized it was not Neville who said it, but Florence Scovel Shinn, who was also a spiritual teacher just like Neville in the 1800s. I'm reading her book right now. It's called The Game of Life and How to Play It. And she was specifically talking about birds before land. She says before Christopher Columbus arrived in America, he saw birds and twigs. That's how he knew he was near land. So imagine during that time, after sailing for months and months, not knowing where he was or when he was going to arrive, the minute he saw birds, he knew land was near. Another example Florence gives inside his book is that of a woman who was manifesting a set of new dishes. She really wanted it and focused on it so much. And then one of her friends gave her a set of dishes out of the blue, but these dishes were old and cracked. So this woman came to Florence and she said, I don't understand. I wanted a new set of dishes, but instead I got old ones and they're even cracked. What did I do wrong? What's happening? And Florence just looked at her and said, your dish is coming. Take this as a sign that your new dish is on the way. This is your birds before land. You can see the birds, so the land is near. So let this be a reminder for you if you're manifesting anything, money, a new job, a specific person. Understand that everything is the unfolding of your manifestation. Assign positive meaning to things. Don't doubt yourself. Don't doubt the universe. And more importantly, don't doubt the law, because the law works for everybody. There are no exceptions. If you're manifesting a specific person and you're seeing their name everywhere, or their car, or a song that both of you used to listen to, these are all birds before land. If you're manifesting a job and your friend gets a similar job or a similar position that you applied for, that is birds before land. If you're manifesting a specific amount of money and you start seeing that exact amount everywhere, or maybe you get discounts or things for free, or you start finding pennies, that is birds before land. Just stop doubting. Keep persisting. And when you see these signs, don't stop. Keep going. Keep persisting until you get your full manifestation. If you want me to share more lessons from Florence's book, let me know. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and follow for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.